Hello guys, welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? I went over to CVS tonight to pick up a few items. I want to make sure I got some more Tide and some things that were in this part of the paper, the advertisement. I wanted some Gain and some Tide as well as this Tide. So anyway, what I ended up doing is I did 3 transactions. I broke them up, and this is the first one that I did. Now this big Tide was, see the Tide there? It was $11.99. So I bought 2 of those. So that was let's see, 12 and 12 was 20. That was like $24. And then I bought the Head and Shoulders to complete the transaction, because it says you get $10 holiday cash card when you spend $30 on select items. So that's why I bought the Head and Shoulders. Now each one was $7.29, but it's buy one, you get the other one 50% off. So this was the deal for the holiday cash card. All right, so I earned that. Then I ended up buying the Tresemme. Tresemme was 2 for $10. I had that $5 off coupon. Plus I had a $4 off of 18 for shampoo or conditioner, whichever one you bought. So that's why I bought the Tresemme. Then the other thing I bought was the Ben & Jerry ice cream. This was 2 for $8. All right. My receipt came up to what's that? $15.41 before tax. All right, so not bad. Then you figure I got back the $10 gift card here, so that's like $5.41 for this particular transaction. All right, so and it was an 80% savings for me. Okay, stay tuned for transaction number 2. Okay, guys, this is my second transaction, and you see what I bought. I bought the Scott paper towels. That was $9.99, and you get 12 rolls of Scott paper towels. I thought that was great. And then I bought a big Febreze Tide. That's the 92 fluid ounces one, and I bought 3 of these Tide Downies. I had to buy them in separate. Well, I bought 2 together. Then I bought another one. Came right around and bought another one. Because, you know, you could only use 2 of the P&G coupons together, so I didn't want to try to put this one in. So, anyway, I bought these 2, and then I came around and bought this one. Okay, so here's my $10 cash card, and here's my receipt. I paid $4.86 out of pocket before tax, and with this particular one, I even got back beauty bucks. I earned 3 beauty bucks there and 3 there, so that's $6 in beauty bucks. And just look at all the coupons I got. So many coupons, a lot of them. It's all the way down there. Look how long, lot of coupons. All right, I gotta try to use them up. Okay, so that was my second transaction, and my third transaction looks exactly like this. The same thing. See, there's the paper towels there, and here is the other Tide. Okay, so the third transaction is exactly the same. All right, hold on a sec. Okay, guys, so this is my whole haul from CVS today. You look here. The paper towels, the Scott paper towels, the Tide detergents, and these here detergents, this is the ones that have the Febreze in them. They're 92 ounces, but the regular one is 100 ounces. I should have looked at that in the store, because I would have gotten more for my money. And then here's the Tresemme and the Head and Shoulders, and all of my pods, my Tide pods, okay? So I got 3 and another 3. And so this was the haul, plus I got my cards. I earned 3 today, so now I have 4 in all that I'll be able to use during Black Friday. So thank you guys for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. And I'll talk to you later, guys. Love you much. Bye-bye. You know the ice cream is missing from this haul, right? Because it's in the freezer. All right, guys. Love you much. Bye-bye.